There are 3 knives in your shear's cutter head, 2 outer knives, and a center blade. The center blade pivots up and down between the outer knives. Over time, the knives will wear. When this happens, the shear won't cut cleanly, or it might jam with metal between the cutters. With use, the center blade can fatigue and eventually break. If the shear is dropped, the blade might be cracked, bent, or broken. Replacing the blade is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old blades from the shear. The blades are secured by 2 screws. There are 2 spacers that separate the blades. I want to be careful not to lose them as I remove the blades. You may need to loosen the back screw to unclamp the cutter head. Now I can replace the center blade. I'll place a spacer into the center knife. Now I'll place the outer knives against the center knife, the right knife, and the left knife. You want to make sure that you have the beveled portion of the knife facing up. The flat portion should be on the bottom. I'll place this assembly back into the cutter head. I'll make sure that I'm aligning the center knife with the eccentric up inside the cutter head. Once all 3 blades are aligned, I'll resecure them with the screws. As I install the rear screw, I need to make sure that I get the spacer back between the knives. With the screws in place, I'll just go ahead and tighten them up. And I'll retighten the rear screw that clamps the cutter head to the motor. And that's all it takes to install a new blade in your shear. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.